up, chat? We back on Portal Mayhem right now on Explosion. So we're gonna run it. I don't know if any of these guys are good. We're just gonna go into it, alright? Goofy Goober 8, we love him. We're gonna have to kill him at some point, but we love him. Alright, let's go. Alright, chat, lock in. I see this guy up here. Just go. I don't... KB8, is he good? He looks new. Some really good people just use that. A bland skin, you know. We're gonna have to land so we can make it back up. Hopefully we don't take big damage. I don't know if this guy's good, but we're gonna go for it. Oh wait, it's Goofy Goober. He's a Goofy Goober. Oh, that's going in the edit, chat. As it just does. Hold on. Wait. Goober, it's been so long. You're 60 now. Yeah. No, probably not, but I played with you when you were like the first day of the game. Ah, it's good to go. Don't get me copyrighted. Never mind the kid. Oh, you're lightning now. Ew, I don't want to even touch you with the 10-foot pole. Who are we fighting? Let's fight this guy. Let's fight. I am a human, bro. That's the game. What is Pro doing? I don't know why no attacks. Alright, let's finish him off. Oh hey, we ain't doing that. He's not running concentrated fist, is he? Oh, you goober. You freaking Goofy Goober. Yeah, you're staying away from me, bro. Get away from me, Goober. I don't want to fight. You have concentrated fist. I don't know if I'll let you bender. You're insane. It's honestly mean to do that. I'm gonna be real. Dude, jam patty, look at me. Dead hit. I don't really care if I take damage, I'm gonna win this match. Not me being cocky. Just a flag. Great bend in my lobby. I'm only using arrows on the stick. I don't really see anything or reason I shouldn't. That's right, buttercup. Let's just finish him off. Let's get him out of here. Don't try and steal my kills. I parried that. Okay. You're not dead. See guys, that's why I do a confirmation. That's why I usually throw an arrow even after you're dead. It's a confirmation kill. What's he doing? Goober. Really hard. I'm just messing around at this point. I could have finished this fight a while ago. I'm gonna be real. Ooh, that's going in the clip. Alright, let's finish this off before somebody else joins. Where'd he go? Think I can charge it up fast? Bro, I think he's just dead. Smited him. Oh, I could probably, actually, I made some good hits in this lobby, so I should make that my new video self for that. That's it for today's video. See you when I see you. Bye.